Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Fast, precise, and designed with exceptional automatic resin handling, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is an impressive SLA 3D printer that caters to hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. This printer excels at producing everything from tiny, detailed miniatures to large, intricate models with remarkable accuracy. Its advanced resin management system operates seamlessly in the background, reducing setup time and minimizing mess, so users can focus on creating without constant intervention. The printer's high-precision light source system is capable of handling even the most demanding calibration files, achieving resolutions as fine as 10 microns. This ensures that every print is sharp, detailed, and consistent. Despite its professional-level capabilities, the M7 Max comes at a highly competitive price, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Who it's for? Professionals, with build quality that approaches industrial standards, outstanding reliability, and the ability to reproduce fine details, the Mono M7 Max is ideal for rapid prototyping, short-run manufacturing, or professional design work. Enthusiasts, offering sub-$1000 pricing, high-quality prints, and intelligent resin management, this printer is perfect for hobbyists, artists, and creators who want professional results at home. Its intuitive interface allows users to move quickly from unboxing to completed prints with minimal effort and interaction with resin. Specs and configurations. Printing technology, stereolithography, SLA. Materials, resin. Print colors, 1. Frame, closed. Max build volume, 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 inches. Resolution, 10 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Dimensions, 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 inches. Weight, 52.91 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max balances precision, speed, and ease of use, making it a standout option for anyone seeking high-quality resin 3D printing. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship 3D printer from a company known for pioneering filament-based multicolor printing. Designed to deliver high-quality results with minimal hassle, the A1 features a 4-color printing capability, a generous print bed, and an easy-to-switch nozzle system, all offered at an attractive price point. Its user-friendly setup makes it ideal for both newcomers and seasoned makers, allowing anyone to start printing quickly. The printer produces precise, detailed prints consistently, whether working on single-color projects or multicolor creations. For multicolor printing, the A1 works with Bambu Lab's innovative 4-color spool system, which is available as an optional upgrade for the $399 base model or included in the A1 combo package, priced at $559. This flexibility lets users choose the setup that best suits their needs and budget. Who it's for? Beginners, the A1 is an excellent entry point for those new to 3D printing. It's easy to assemble, intuitive to operate, and the combo package allows beginners to experiment with multicolor prints right away, without needing additional purchases. Hobbyists and enthusiasts, for more experienced users, the A1's large print bed and reliable performance make it a solid choice for high-quality prints, prototypes, and creative projects. Its versatility ensures that it can grow with your skills, whether producing single-color or complex multicolor models. Specs and configurations. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors, up to 4 with combo system. Frame, open. Max build volume, 10 by 10 by 10 inches. Interface, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 16.93 by 15.16 by 16.14 inches. Weight, 18.3 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 combines ease of use, versatility, and high-quality performance, making it a top choice for anyone looking to explore filament-based 3D printing. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable yet highly capable 3D printer that brings multicolor printing within reach for beginners and budget-conscious makers. It stands out thanks to an optional add-on module that allows printing with up to 4 different colored filaments, making it easy to create vibrant, multicolor models without complex setup. Despite its compact size, the A1 Mini produces high-quality prints at a relatively fast pace, consistently delivering detailed results. Its user-friendly design ensures a smooth start, with minimal assembly required and a straightforward interface that allows users to focus on printing rather than troubleshooting. During testing, the A1 Mini proved to be reliable, operating problem-free over multiple print sessions. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 Mini comes almost fully assembled and is simple to set up, making it ideal for those new to 3D printing. The combo version we reviewed includes the 4-color module, enabling users to start experimenting with multicolor projects immediately. It produces visually appealing prints quickly, giving beginners instant results without frustration. Budget-minded hobbyists. For hobbyists who want a quality out-of-the-box experience without breaking the bank, the A1 Mini is an excellent option. Priced under $400, it ranks among the most affordable 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printers available, delivering strong performance and versatility at a low cost. Specs and configurations. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors, up to 4. Frame, closed. Max build volume, 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm. Resolution, 100 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 inches. Weight, 12.12 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combines affordability, ease of use, and multicolor printing capability, making it a standout choice for entry-level users and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. If you're looking to create large 3D prints without spending a fortune, the open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is a standout option. It offers an unusually large build volume for a sub-$500 printer, making it possible to produce big, impressive models at home. During testing, the Neptune 4 Plus successfully printed over 20 objects, all with generally very good quality. While it does require some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to accommodate its size, setup is straightforward, and operation is intuitive once assembled. When purchasing the Neptune, it's important to either include a filament spool in your order or buy a bundle that comes with filament to get started right away. Who it's for? Beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is well suited for newcomers willing to invest a little time in learning. As an open-frame printer, its internal components, including motors, belts, cables, the print bed, extruder, and filament feed, remain fully visible. This transparency helps beginners understand how 3D printing works while providing hands-on experience during assembly. The printer is capable of producing large objects with good quality, making it both educational and functional. Budget hobbyists. Hobbyists on a tight budget will also appreciate the Neptune 4 Plus. It is affordably priced, supports a wide variety of filament types, and allows users to produce large prints without requiring high-end equipment. Specs and configurations. Printing technology, fused deposition modeling, FDM. Materials supported, ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Print colors, 1. Extruders, 1. Frame, open. Max build volume, 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 inches. Resolution, 100 microns. Interface, USB thumb drive, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 inches. Weight, 32 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus balances affordability, large-scale printing, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for curious tinkerers and beginners who want a straightforward, affordable entry into 3D printing. This model builds on the strengths of previous Ender-3 versions, offering noticeable improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling performance. It produces reliable, high-quality prints with minimal hassle, though it does have a few quirks, such as some noise and vibration during operation and a print bed that benefits from a layer of glue for optimal adhesion. Despite these minor issues, the Ender-3 V3 is highly capable for its price, making it a top pick for anyone exploring 3D printing on a budget. Who it's for? Beginners. The Ender-3 V3 is ideal for first-time 3D printing enthusiasts. Its open-frame design makes it easy to observe the printer's mechanics in action, including the extruder, motors, and print bed, which offers a hands-on learning experience. Assembly is straightforward, and once set up, the printer produces fast, accurate prints that give beginners instant satisfaction and confidence in their projects. Budget buyers. For those on a tight budget or anyone needing a second or backup printer, the Ender-3 V3 provides excellent value. Its compact open-frame design fits comfortably on a desk or workspace while delivering impressive performance, speed, and reliability for a low cost. Specs and configurations. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported, PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Print colors, 1. Extruders, 1. Frame, open. Max build volume, 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 inches. Resolution, 350 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 inches. Weight, 17.2 pounds. Warranty, 12 months. The Creality Ender-3 V3 combines affordability, usability, and capable performance, making it a standout entry-level 3D printer for beginners and budget-conscious makers alike.